I'm telling you, original 1920s Coke was the best. It had just a little bit of cocaine. I can't stress how little it was. It had some cocaine in it, and that's what made it the best. I want to go back to the 20s. Everything was a lot better then. It was only a little bit, but boy, it gave you that kick.
No, Toby, modern day Coke is the best. It is original taste, and it's so good.
I like Pepsi. Who hurt you? What? No one hurt me. At least mine doesn't have cocaine in it. I'll answer that. I'm about to hurt you.
No. Toby, I'll handle this. Percy, you were given a brain and a face. You were lucky for that. Could you at least put it to some good use? I'm actually so mad at you about that I'm gonna have a good strain ram into you, and I'm gonna put a really bad green screen effect on it.
What? Ah! I have thoughts sometimes.
What? Toby, what are you talking about?
Like, what if I were to blow up the shed? Of course, I'd have to do it at night. The fire train would be miles away. They couldn't get here soon. Of course, it would cause the most damage. All the screaming. I'd watch it burn. Nicely. All the power is mine. I would have done it. The power behind the tram. And all it would take was some oil and a match. Oh, just those and other silly thoughts.
Toby, what the fuck?
All right, who did it?
I'm sorry, Toby, but who did what?
Who did it? Who broke the handcar? Why does it have to sit all alone, off the track, derailed, right over there?
Well, I think it's Henry's. Excuse me? Thomas, you probably broke it just for some fun. I'd watch your mouth, Henry. You're fat enough to break anything.
Ooh, he's got you
You
there.
need to shut up right now. This is why no
Henry,
one likes
quit
you.
your
It was probably you who did
yapping.
it,
Like, I
and you're
don't
just
got
trying to
time
blame it
for
on me.
any
Whoa,
of
whoa.
that.
So,
You guys
you need to
wasn't
stop
just me
talking
to
me.
confess.
Why would I do it? You broke the handcar.
No.
It wasn't
I
me.
do.
broke
It's very
the
rare that I'm up
handcar.
here handcar.
Wasn't me.
So,
And
someone
Wasn't
needs
me.
to confess.
I just need to
Thomas,
mess
really,
up
was it
that
you?
right now?
James?
Something It was me. I broke the handcar.
All right, Toby. I've gotten what you asked. But why do you need a ballast car, a cargo car, and a tar tanker?
Oh, Oliver, that's not tar. That's black tar. Heroin.
What? I didn't sign up for this.
Oh, yes, you did, Oliver. Don't you remember?
No, I don't.
That doesn't matter now, Oliver. Not to them.
What?
That's not ballast, Oliver. That's crack.
What's in the cargo car?
Definitely not smoke bombs.
What? Smoke? What? Where's my train gone?
You'll never catch me alive. No, Ben, they're my cars. Edward said so. You can't have them.
Bill, I'm telling you that those are my cars. They are not yours. They are mine.
Those two engines can be crazy. I remember when I first met them. Almost made my eyes pop out. I didn't know they were twins.
If that's the worst that you've seen, consider yourself lucky.
Toby, you are a really messed up engine.
Man, why am I always falling in the water? This sucks.
Alright, off to the docks to do my next job. This should be pretty easy. Whoa! Percy! What happened here?
Oh, well, the trucks pushed me into the water again.
Why are you not fully submerged?
That's like the whole point of water. Well, this is resin, and it's already set since it's kind of fake water, and I'm an expensive train, so he's not gonna, like, fill this with water. And why are you green? That's my thing. Well, that's a long story. I got time. Well, I don't. So I'm gonna go look for help and definitely not get as far away from here as possible because I don't want to help with this at all.
Oh, hey guys, what are you doing here?
Surprise!
Wow, thanks guys. What's the surprise?
It's your birthday.
Wow, I totally forgot about that.
It's okay, 'cause we remembered.
Wow, thanks guys, but what's up with Percy?
Oh, he just wanted to be a clown.
Oh, wow. Oh, thanks for that, Percy. That's great.
We got you a present too. Oh, thanks guys, what is it?
It's a semi-illegal explosive.
Wow, my favorite. Thanks, guys. You're the best.
Hey, what's that ticking noise?